You have exactly 8 minutes to catch up on 10 years of AI progress. Everything you learned about the internet last year is officially obsolete. Here is exactly what replaced it. If you feel like AI is moving way too fast, getting left behind, you are. But I'm gonna fix that right now. Welcome to the ultimate zero-fluff AI crash course. No complex math, no boring coding jargon, just the exact concepts you need to know to survive and thrive in 2026. Let's go.
Forget the Terminator. AI is not a conscious robot. It's a prediction engine.
If I drop this book, you predict it falls. Why? Because you've seen it happen 1,000 times. Your brain recognizes the pattern. AI does the exact same thing, but with data. We feed a computer billions of books, images, and conversations. It learns the patterns. When you ask ChatGPT a question, it is rapidly predicting the most logical next word based on everything humanity has ever written. It is just superpowered autocorrect. For years, AI was analytical. It looked at data and gave you a number. Boring. Now, we have generative AI. It doesn't just analyze, it creates. It writes essays. It codes apps. It directs movies. How? Through something called a neural network. Imagine millions of digital neurons passing notes to each other, voting on what a picture of a cyberpunk cat should look like. Boom. It renders in seconds. This isn't stealing pieces of existing images. It is hallucinating a brand new image from scratch based on its training.
So how do you actually use this without getting overwhelmed?
You only need to master one skill, prompting. Prompting is just the way you talk to the AI, and most beginners suck at it. Bad prompt. Write me a resume. Good prompt. Act as an expert tech recruiter. Rewrite this resume bullet point to highlight leadership, keeping it under 20 words, using an energetic tone. The AI is a genius intern, but it's an intern. You have to give it context, a role, and strict boundaries. Look, AI is not going to replace you, but a person using AI, they absolutely will replace you. You don't need to be a programmer to win this game. You just need to be a director. The tools are free. The barriers are gone. I've linked the top 3 beginner AI tools in the description to get you started today. If this video saved you a dozen hours of confusing research, hit subscribe. Stay fast, stay curious. See you in the next one.